Hey everyone, my name is Isaac, also known as Canupsi, and I'm here in beautiful Mallorca, and I'm here with the all-new CLA. But this might not be the CLA you're familiar with, because this is the CLA Shooting Brake with EQ technology. The first thing, the proportions. Just take a look at this tailgate and the star-shaped taillights, as well as the elegant shape that just says Shooting Brake all over. It's elegant, sporty, and also very practical. And it's a very spacious, very impressive trunk. It has 455 liters of space, and if you fold back the seats, you get even more volume. Now you have 1,290 liters of space. And for even more space, you got the frunk with 101 more liters. Translation, that's a lot of space. Let's hop inside finally and go on my very first test drive. It's an SAE Level 2 driving assistance system, basically meaning the car can control speed, steering, and braking all at once. Now, the driver still has to be attentive and keep their hands on the wheel, but it's still really cool. But right now, let's talk about the range, because it's very impressive. There's a 769 kilometer range on this car, according to WLTP. That's great, but also on the way, the car will direct me to different charging stops so I reach my final destination with a pretty solid charge. Lithium-ion batteries perform best within a specific charging temperature window. If the battery's too cold or too hot, efficiency drops and charging slows down. Once the CLA knows you're approaching a fast charging stop, it preconditions the high voltage battery for the optimal charging experience.